Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Front parking sensors are going to keep you nice and safe in those close quarter parking lot situations. You have alloy wheels. We're going to take a look at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. There's no rips or tears on any of the seats. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look at the bed now. You have a spring-in bed liner, keeping the bed very safe, as well as the soft cover on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth controls mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.